Because this time, okay lang ba sa inyo? Dahil Sunday ngayon, okay, magkakaroon po tayo ng praise and worship songs. Okay lang ba yun?
Yes.
Okay lang ba yun?
Yes.
Okay, regardless of your religious denomination, I hope you don't mind this.
Hello guys, just arrived. Kagigising ko lang ulit sa ayan ang aming sa seaside ng Norfolk guys. Later, diniretso Look at that, ang aming coach doon. I-explore namin daw ang seaside. So, look at that. Ang seaside. Grabe. So, ayun. Pupunta tayo doon sa Pier Family. Ayun. Doon na yung friends ko guys. Kasi kagigising ko lang, ako ang last na bumaba sa coach namin dahil nakatulog doon. Shout out na dyan sa solid supporters ng Mami Chai sa Team Chaira. Big love shout out sa Kakailanga Chaira. Shout out! So let's go and explore the seaside. Papasok tayo dyan guys, also Pier Family. So ayan yung also ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang seaside ng Norfolk. So later on, pupunta kami sa Tulips. But for now, dito muna kami mag-lunch. But look at that, sobra lamig-lamig talaga. Wow. Oh, may bowling dito. Bowlers. May bowling. Pasok tayo dito guys. Wow, look at that. Ang lamig. Oh. Palaruan pala dito. Wow, ang daming palaruan dyan. Wow, ang daming mga palaruan guys.
Restaurant dito. Pumasok
Oh?
si restaurant ng
Palaruan to.
baka doon sa kabila.
NHS staff with a beating heart of the NHS, but they still feel support. Working as a nurse is still incredibly challenging. In the past, I've needed to seek help and started one-to-one counselling sessions at the hospital. It's been incredibly beneficial.